and onions can be used as a home remedy for lightening age spots. Here's how. Lemons. Lemons contain skin bleaching properties which lighten the dark spots or black spots. The citric acid reduces the melanin production and exfoliates the dead skin cells. You can rub a lemon slice or lemon juice on the spots and leave it on to dry completely before rinsing off. Onions. Raw onion mixed with acidic lemon juice encourages skin lightening and cell turnover to gently peel away the uppermost layer of the skin. Onion naturally bleaches age spots and removes dead skin cells full of melanin, which is responsible for the hyperpigmentation. You can rub onions or onion juice on your age spots 2 times a day until your age spots go away. Ingredients: lemons, onions powder,